most travel tips for people over 60 for road trips just don't really work. Those tips tell you to go to crowded places and to walk all day long, and that's not always what we want when we're in our 60s. So I stopped using generic lists and started asking ChatGPT to make me a custom trip. And so that's what I want to show you today, how I do that step by step. I'm Vicky, and on this channel, I share simple, step by step ways that you can use ChatGPT for travel planning. I'm going to show you today 3 prompts that I used to find the perfect southern town to visit. This video is ChatGPT for seniors. If you've been curious about using AI for trip planning, you're in the right place. Before I show you the towns, I want to show you the process because this is the part you can use over and over again for any region and any trip style. Instead of spending hours on Google, I got a personalized list in minutes and not hours or days. Here's exactly how I did it. 3 simple steps. This is step 1, prompt 1. This is the exact prompt that I will put in ChatGPT to find the perfect small town to go visit. So we always start with the broad list, and then I always ask for more than what I need at first. That way I have plenty to filter down. If you ask for too few right away, you miss the hidden gems. So here's the exam prompt I typed. Now I'll open up ChatGPT so you can see it, what it comes up with. Okay, so now I'm going to copy and paste my prompt right here in ChatGPT. And I will enter. And it's going to come back with 15 historic southern towns. And let's see, within 5 to 6 hours of Birmingham, which you can put in your town where you live or where you're going to start from. So let's see what they came up with. Eufaula, Selma, Florence, Fairhope, Natchez, Columbus, Oxford. Let's go down to 15. It's still printing. Franklin, Rome, Madison, Covington, Beaufort. Okay, so it also tells you how long a drive it is, why it works out. So this one here is Beaufort, and it says one of the most beautiful coastal historic towns. Civil War, early Union occupation site, and walkability is outstanding. So you'll get that for all 15. Now you're looking at the freebie that I'm giving everyone to help them um, pick their choices for this small town trip. So that says Chat GPT travel tips, build your perfect small town trip. And how it works, you create your list of towns. Step 1, which I just showed you in Chat GPT. Then you narrow it down based on your preferences. And then step 3 is choose the best town to start. So anyway, we just did step 1. And then step 2, we need this freebie to help you with step 2. It's going to get very personalized here. So it says, now take your list of towns from step 1 and filter it. So choose your preferences, and you get to choose scenery, history, walkability, food and charm, crowd level, budget, and things to do. Now, this is the prompt that you're going to copy and paste. Okay, so from the list, it's focus on the southeast, and then you copy and paste which one you want for scenery, history, walkability. Okay, and what that does, it's narrows down the list, matches your personal travel style, and removes weaker options. So be sure to grab this. It's a freebie in my description. Okay, so now you're going to see my choices, and we're going to work from my choices to get the 7. This is prompt 2 with the choices that I made. So you're going to see me copy and paste it into ChatGPT and see what the final choices are for my trip. This is the most important step, and honestly, this is where it gets fun. You're not just asking for towns anymore. You're telling ChatGPT how you like to travel, and that changes everything. You're not limited to just one choice in each category. You can pick as many preferences as you want. If you want coastal and mountains, you can do that. If you want cafes and shops, include both. The more specific you are, the more customized your results will be. But you do need to be careful, because here's the key. If you choose too many filters, your results get smaller or more limited. Pick again and put it into ChatGPT again if you narrow it too much. Okay, so we're back into ChatGPT. I'm going to copy and paste. I already copied. I'm going to paste my prompt 2 in here with all my choices. So my choices for scenery was coastal and mountains. History was Civil War sites and historic districts. Walkability was very easy. Food and charm, cafes and shops. Crowd level, hidden gem, moderate. Budget was budget or mid-range. And things to do, sightseeing and relaxing. Okay, so we're going to only include towns that clearly meet most of this criteria, exclude weak matches. And we enter. Okay, so one thing I do want to remind you of too is that you can put in the same prompts over and over again and get a few different variations. So anyway, they're not wrong, the variations that they give you, but they're not always the same. So I'm going to be giving you the 7 that they picked when I was making the video. But let's look and see what ChatGPT gave us today for the 7 best matches. So Fairhope, Beaufort, Eufaula, Natchez, Columbus, Madison, and Dahlonega. Okay. So now we're going to go over the ones that ChatGPT found me when I was making the video, and you'll learn about each of the 7 towns. Here are the 7 towns that ChatGPT narrowed it down to for me. So the first one is Fairhope, Alabama. Number 2 is Natchez, Mississippi. Number 3, Dahlonega, Georgia. 4, Franklin, Tennessee. 5 is Natchitoches, Louisiana. If I'm not saying that right, let me know. Number 6 is Rome, Georgia. Number 7, Florence, Alabama. I'm going to be describing the 7 towns that ChatGPT gave me, and stay tuned for the third step after these towns. Okay, the first one is Fairhope, Alabama. It's a coastal town, a mobile bay with a flat, walkable downtown filled with cafes, shops, and flower-lined streets. The waterfront pier and park make it easy to enjoy scenic views without much effort. Number 2 is Natchez, Mississippi, a historic river town known for its antebellum homes and strong Civil War connections. The bluff overlooking the Mississippi River offers beautiful views and an easy pace for sightseeing. Dahlonega, Georgia is number 3, a charming mountain town centered around a small walkable square with shops and cafes. It offers a mix of history and scenery, though there are a few gentle hills, and we went there last week with my aunt, uncle, and cousin. Number 4 is Franklin, Tennessee, a well-preserved historic town with Civil War significance and a lively but manageable downtown. Its main street is highly walkable with restaurants, boutiques, and historic sites close together. Natchitoches, Louisiana, the oldest town in Louisiana, known for its brick streets and scenic river walk. The compact historic district makes it easy to explore shops, cafes, landmarks on foot. Rome, Georgia, a scenic town where 3 rivers meet, featuring a flat and walkable downtown area. Its riverwalk and small town charm make it ideal for relaxed exploring. The last one is number 7, Florence, Alabama, a quiet, historic town with a compact downtown and easy to access to the Tennessee River. It offers a simple layout with local restaurants, shops, and a relaxed atmosphere. Now, stay with me for step 3. So I didn't stop at the 7 choices. I actually took it one step further because a list of 7 is helpful, but choosing which one to visit first, that's where most of us get stuck. So, prompt 3 is from this list, choose the single best town for my first trip. Prioritize very easy walking, overall charm and atmosphere, variety of things to see and do, and relaxed, enjoyable pace. Explain why this town is the best choice to start with. Okay, so ChatGPT picked Fairhope, Alabama. It's a flat, coastal, easy layout with great food and a relaxed vibe. In other words, an easy first win. So here's what I want you to understand about this list. These aren't just the best towns. These aren't the best towns in the South. These are the best towns for how I want to travel. When you use the free Google Doc that I give you and swap in your own filters, your own scenery preference, your own pace, your own region, ChatGPT builds a completely different list. It's your list. That's the real value of using AI for travel planning as a senior. You're not following someone else's itinerary, you're building your own in minutes, not hours. If this video is helpful, please go grab the free Google Doc that has a link in the description below, and please subscribe. I'm doing a Worth the Drive series talking about planning different trips with using ChatGPT. I'm sure you'd love it, so please watch my series too and subscribe. Have a great day.